Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use MaxTrax. MaxTrax is a powerful new system designed to streamline your creative projects and boost productivity. It offers a comprehensive solution for organizing and managing all your assets in one central location. You can easily keep tabs on every aspect of your work, ensuring smooth collaboration and efficient progress tracking. To get started, first create a new project in MaxTrax. This is your central hub for all related work. Next, import your media files, whether they are audio, video, or other assets, and assign them to their respective tracks. Remember to configure each track settings, such as its name and who can access it. This initial setup is crucial for a well-organized workflow. With your soil prepared, let's get those irises in the ground. Gently place the iris rhizome just below the soil surface, making sure the very top is still exposed to catch some sunlight. Carefully spread the roots out evenly in the hole, pointing them downwards to encourage good establishment. For optimal growth and air circulation, remember to space your iris plants about 12 to 24 inches apart. This gives each plant plenty of room to flourish and prevents overcrowding. Collaboration is a key strength of MaxTrax. Easily share your project with team members, assigning roles to control access and permissions. Leverage the real-time commenting and feedback features to ensure everyone is on the same page. When your project is complete, export it in various high-quality formats. MaxTrax makes sharing your finished work simple and secure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.